How to add an image in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Log in if needed. See that Edit a PDF option? Click it. Click Select a file and upload the PDF where you want to add the image. Once the PDF loads, look for the Edit toolbar on the left. Click Edit if it's not already active. Then click Add Image. Browse and upload the image from your computer. Click it to place it anywhere on your PDF. After placing the image, you can drag the corners to resize. Click and drag to move it or hit delete if you want to remove and redo it. Want it to blend in? Right-click the image or tap with two fingers and look for Arrange options. You can move it behind or in front of the text if you have the Pro feature. And that's how you add an image in Acrobat Web. Super quick and easy. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.